Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Bears took a pretty big bite out of this one today. Actually started off very nicely. The price made a nice run up there, but then found some resistance right up at that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. And from there, it was pretty much all bears, although the bulls did finally step in and level things out. What do I mean by level things out? Well, let's actually assign a numerical value to that. And they leveled things out when the price finally just stopped, essentially bleeding down here at about $2.78. So $2.78 is going to be definitely that key level. That key level of support going forward, just because that is going to be the area where you want to see the price hold up above there. If there's any sort of chance that, hey, maybe this is some sort of bottom, maybe the bulls are going to create some sort of bounce. Yeah, there was a miniature bounce here. I mean, nothing huge, but there is definitely the bulls showed some signs of strength here in terms of after they got down there and then bouncing back upwards. However, the final 30 minutes actually delivered, the red candle right there. So that bounce actually kind of already started to fade a little bit, but it's not like it totally collapsed. What would be a total collapse? Well, if the price comes down there tomorrow and then just breaks down through 278 and then before you know it is below 275, then yeah, this bounce here was just simply a dead cat bounce. So you do have to give the bulls some credit. They showed some signs of strength. So now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this? Well, if they are going to build upon it, they're going to have to continue to break through some levels of resistance. So let's focus on where some of these next levels of resistance may be. First key level of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be that former area of support right there at about $2.88. And then if the bulls can fight through there, next overall level up there at that former support at 295. So 288, 295, next couple areas of resistance if this bounce has any sort of chance, at building some momentum, building some upward steam. But top priority, like I said, is just actually trying to establish some sort of base first. Apparently the bulls are trying to do that there at 278. So if there's going to be any sort of true bottom and bounce, then kind of by definition 278 needs to hold. So we'll see if the bulls can stay up above there or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.